So there's some free resources like a questionnaire, some social media graphics that are shareable, a typed up version of the notes, and they're all there for you to use. Connect with me, send a message, post, look around, whatever you need to do to find all of those great resources. I want to empower you, that is my goal. And then I want to have just simple reminders that you can continue to refresh your memory on the basic concepts that we covered over here in this course. As I've said before, always, you can reach out to me directly. That'd be great. I have other classes that are available to you, and I love to give discounts to active and current students. So if you've taken this course already and you want to take one of my other courses and you're looking for a discount, message me, send me a note. Be happy to see what I can do for you. I try to discount my courses for current students as much as possible. And just, again, really appreciate that you took this course. Looking forward to hearing from you and seeing what you have to share.